So traders, let's have a bit of a market update today. Market's actually holding quite nicely, and so is the mining sector. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, if you haven't done so, grab access to that free trading course, link in the description. Hope that helps you out. Now, let's actually go to the stock market first. Stock market today. Bit of a roundup for today, bit of a small little red day today, guys. And looking at this market through here, even if we do continue to see a bit more of a sliding effect, a bit more of a slow sort of sideways movement through here, I don't expect this thing to be lasting too long. Even if you continue to go sideways for the rest of this week, I expect to see December being quite an incredible month. You can see we've been a very, very, very big upward trend. We've made a very big move up, and now we're getting a pullback. Well, look what's happened here, right? It's not even a strong pullback. It's just like a pullback, and you can see what's happening is that the market is continuing to just go sideways through here. So I wouldn't be too surprised, guys, if we did see a bit more of a pullback or a sideways movement for a little bit more time, and then we are off the races to finish off, and probably in December as well too. Probably incredible December. And once we break out of this channel on the S&P 500, you can see we're in two major channels. This is the first channel here, and then we're in this smaller channel through here as well too. As you can see, that's the reason why the S&P 500 stopped and paused was because we're getting the pullback. But the pullback is, as you can see, it's actually just sort of just hovering around here. We are getting ready for maybe a little bit more of a sideways movement or a bit of a pullback. But I do see very, very soon we're going to break out of this triangle pattern through here. And we're going to race to the other side of this triangle pattern. So a bit of a pause where we are right now, guys. And we can see a movement back to the upside. Same for the good old Nasdaq as well too. So we're seeing the Nasdaq, and we're seeing the Nasdaq in there's two big channels. There's this big channel we're in right now. And then we're in this really smaller channel we're in on the Nasdaq as well too. As you can see, we're getting a bit of a run up, getting a small little pullback, and we're holding here. So a bit of a bit more sideways movement, or are we ready to break out like this and then continue to make are we about to see the breakout before December? I actually believe it will. Meaning the breakout out of this triangle pattern, and then away we go when it comes to that as well. Moving over now through to the Russell, and you can see the Russell once again is actually in let me delete that off the screen, is actually in quite a big channel through here. As you can see, this is that bottom point through there, and now we have the top point through there. We actually ran up, went sideways, now it actually ran up, and now we're just getting a little bit of a pullback through here. So I believe this pullback is going to be very short-lived in the markets. We may get a little bit more of a pullback, but we're probably going to be creating higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We may get a little bit more of a pullback, and then a higher low, and then guess what? And then away we go once again when it comes to that as well too, right? Because we're breaking out of this sort of sideways sort of movement through here, and now we're actually breaking out into an upward trend. So I wouldn't be too surprised if we saw this thing continuing back up very, very soon in the good old Russell 2000. Let's have a look at, we've got probably the energy sector is the one that actually had the biggest update today, a bit of a 1%. Nothing much going on. The home builder index, nothing there. Financials, not much going on there. So really not much going on there when it comes to the markets. Bit of a sideways movement. I do see that the financial sector is in a channel. Sorry, the energy sector is in a channel, as you can see through here. But we also do have a major resistance point where we are getting very, very close to that there. So I do believe we're likely to see some sort of a we've got this bottom point through here, and now we possibly even have maybe even something like that going on. So we're possibly going to see. Let's actually go back to the daily charts here for a minute. It's probably up like that through there somewhere. Right, so probably like that through there. So I do believe we're going to see a breakout and another nice run to the upside on the energy sector as well, because we're really, really, really picking up strength through there. Moving over now through to the gold, and gold is actually holding quite nicely out of this breakout. The thing that I was asking myself when looking at this here it is, as you can see, right, we have this sort of bottom point through here. We had a low, higher low, higher low, bit of a like an ascending triangle pattern. We've got a breakout. The thing that I always ask myself is the breakout a false breakout? And a lot of the times the false breakout will run up and then it'll come straight back down. But we're actually holding here quite nicely. So I'm expecting to see the gold price to continue up from where we are right now when it comes to, again, where we are right now on there. Move over now through to silver. Silver had pretty much a nothing day, as you can see. Like we just sort of just continue to sideways consolidate, but we do have a beautiful, beautiful, as you can see, low and then a beautiful high low. We're running up. So bit of a sideways movement, and then we're probably going to continue back up towards that $29 level looking at there. Move over now through to the GDX. And we did get that beautiful high low, beautiful high low, but we're probably going to be running up just a bit more. And we've got a little bit of resistance around this $36 level. But once we break that, then it's pretty free and clear to make some really, really, really big moves to the upside. And moving over now through to the silver market, the silver mining stocks, we can see we have a beautiful sort of head and shoulder formation. We've got a beautiful shoulder. There's the head, there's the shoulder running up. So we may sort of fun ass around a bit through here, guys, but I do believe we're likely to see a movement back to the upside from there. So there's a bit of an update for you today, guys. A bit of a pause across all markets, but I believe we're getting ready for us really like just like a crazy move coming in December this year. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go do that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.